welcome back to today's video. From the title itself, you know that today I'm going to show you lots and lots of jewelry in this video, which I have shopped from Clove Factory and New Market as well. Now I keep on doing some street shopping videos. You might be knowing that. If you haven't seen any of those videos of mine, I'll do one job. I'll put the link up somewhere in the video. Do have a look and see how affordable can jewelry be, And in today's video, there are lots of amazing jewelry, lots. I can't define, so let's get started. It is a perfect earring for festive season. I got it only at ₹100 from New Market. This is a beautiful earring. I have shown you in my street shopping also, and it is only priced at ₹200. This earring also is very beautiful. You can see some mirror work is done over there, and it has a little bit jhumkas also. It's a perfect ethnic wear for this festive season. It is priced at ₹200. Got it from New Market, by the way. This is also a very beautiful pair of earrings. These are 3 jhumkas. I got it at ₹100 from New Market. And these rings, I have got it only at ₹30, guys. Can you imagine? These are adjustable rings. You can adjust these rings according to your fingers, And these are really party wears. I can tell you, no one will guess that it is only priced at ₹30. Now this one I got it from Clove Factory. It's a very lightweight jewelry. I got it at ₹135. This is also a very beautiful multicolored jewelry. I got it at ₹100 from New Market. Now this one is also a very beautiful earring, only priced at ₹100, and it is also from New Market. Now this set is so beautiful, guys. Such a lot of work is done over here. The whole set is cost at only ₹450. I got it from New Market again. This is a very gorgeous set, I can tell you that. And this is a necklace made up of stones, multicolored stones, but it is not heavy. Priced at only ₹200. It gives you a very different kind of a look, and it is really beautiful. This is a flower necklace which I have bought it from Clove Factory. So this is how it looks. It is red in color. There are more variants. I went for this one. I am in love with this. Priced at ₹325. This is also a necklace. It has shell work, as you have seen, and it is priced at ₹200, and it is super duper beautiful, guys. Just hope, guys, that you all have enjoyed this video, and if you have liked this video, please do leave a like and do subscribe to my channel with the bell icon. And of course, stay happy, stay blessed, God bless, and just enjoy. This is festive season, and until my next video comes, tada, take care, bye bye, with loads of love.